Choosing the perfect small rice cooker is harder than it looks. Today we battle two Zojirushi compact heavyweights to find the winner. Let's see which 3-cup wonder deserves a spot on your counter. First up is the NS-LGC05XB, designed specifically for versatility and grains. It features advanced fuzzy logic technology to adjust cooking times automatically. This means perfectly cooked rice every single time without constant monitoring. Watch how it handles long-grain rice, keeping grains distinct and fluffy. The stainless clear-coated exterior is sleek and incredibly easy to clean. The retractable cord and clear markings make daily use effortless. Ideal for small families needing variety beyond just white sticky rice. The specialized long-grain setting is a massive advantage for this model. However, the cooking time is quite long compared to basic cookers. A versatile powerhouse for diverse grain lovers. Now looking at the NL-BAC05SB, a classic choice for consistent results. It boasts a triple heater system on bottom, side, and lid. This generates even heat for consistent texture throughout the entire pot. It excels at white rice and quinoa with fantastic heat distribution. The silver finish offers a traditional aesthetic that fits most kitchens. Large buttons and a high-contrast display make operation very straightforward. Perfect for singles or couples who primarily cook standard white rice. The triple heater ensures no mushy or undercooked grains at all. It lacks the specific long-grain menu setting found on the other. A reliable, dedicated workhorse for the daily white rice consumer. The LGC05XB wins on versatility, while the BAC05SB wins on heating. Get the LGC05XB for variety, or the BAC05SB for white rice.